Alright, I just did my shopping at Walmart. I think I got everything, but not everything. So I'm gonna go to Harbor Freight and get some tools. And then after that, I'm gonna go to Sam's Club. It's fucking crazy. Hurricane madness. I think we got most of the stuff at home. I'm trying not to overbuy. But yeah, we good. A few more stops. Okay, I thought I was done with Sam's, and I was on my way home, and then I remembered I forgot the fucking duct tape. Shit. I think I got, but just in case, I want to get a few more rolls. Another little something people forget about: the humidity that builds up after the storm. So I'm gonna get some those little bags that soak all that shit up, all the water, and try to reduce the moisture in the house. I'm anticipating some windows blowing out. Worst case scenario, we'll just bag that shit up with tape. There's no time or money to board it, so alright, I'm gonna get those two things and get the fuck out.